MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader4 and it is simple to use. Anyone can use it. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumb up if you really like this video. This indicator is free and this indicator is meant for MetaTrader4 platform. This will not work on MetaTrader5 or on derived platform, so make sure you use it on MetaTrader4 platform. Now let me show you how this particular indicator works. This is just one indicator on my chart beside the symbol changer indicator. Now this indicator will draw this particular line, this red zone for sell and this white zone for buy. Now at this particular zone you find that we have another arrow here that was generated at this particular zone, and here we have a buy here. So your take profit will be the upper bound, or you allow it to run. And I've placed this particular trade because I saw this arrow at the lower support level for a buy, and my stop loss is few pips below this this particular zone. This is the previous low here, and that's why I place my stop loss below that region so that I will not be taken out of the trade. So this is how to use it. You will only use it when you see the arrow appearing at the upper. You will only use it when you see the arrow appearing either at the support or the resistance. So, and that is where you will need to place your trade. Allow the candle to close before you place this trade, because the arrow might disappear if the candle did not close. So make sure you practice it, and you cannot use this particular indicator to judge the previous signal, since we are not going to see the previous line here, both this red and the white line. We are not going to see it. And here is it on the 15 minutes. So I placed that particular trade on 5 minutes time frame, and I want to take small pips out of that particular trade. On 15 minutes we say have it, but no arrow yet. So this is how to use this particular strategy. And let's check 1 or 2 p.m. more and see it. Let's check New Zealand, Japanese, and here we have on 5 minutes we have this arrow also for a buy. Here we have this arrow for a buy at this zone here. This is a buy zone here, support zone, and then we have here for a sell at this resistant zone here. So your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low, and for a buy, and the previous few pips above the previous high for a sell. So this is how to use this particular strategy, this particular indicator. And let me show you the setup for this indicator. And this is the indicator I'm talking about, and here is the settings. So percentage is 10. The section, just make sure you pause the video and enter the value. If you need the alert, just leave it the way it is. If not, you can change it. So this is all you need to change, and the arrow that I use, good either for buy or sell, and you can change it if you want. So this is all you need to change for this particular indicator. So I do not want to keep the video long. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Again, this is meant for MetaTrader4 strategy, and the download link for this indicator is in the video description. Make sure you check it and download it. It is free. If you like this video, kindly give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe.